Hello people of Earth, this is Dan Lockhart of the Rider of the Valkyrie Dan Lockhart YouTube channel, and today I'm going to put my Corbin dual tourer seat on my bike. After my last ride I decided I had to do something different and it was just too uncomfortable for the stock seat. So I ordered this seat and I hope it's going to make a big difference. I thought I would do an unboxing and installation video and let you know how things go. You can help me out as we go along and install this thing ourselves. As you can see, it's a beautiful fall day here in Crested Butte, Colorado, and the weather is beautiful today, really nice. It's supposed to get up to 60 something degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is equivalent to in centigrade, probably around 16 or 17, something like that, but really nice anyway. The weather's been great here lately, and I've been looking forward to putting my seat on. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, get the unboxing process going here. Thank you. I'm pretty comfortable ordering things over the internet, but for this particular order I called Corbin and spoke with the sales rep because I wanted to get the red stitching, the red piping, and the rivets to match my saddlebag. So I wanted to make sure that my order was complete and the way that I wanted it. I thought it was best to talk to the sales rep. All right, Corbin was kind enough to include installation instructions. So, and they also gave me Allen wrenches for both the seat and the backrest. So, anyway, I'm just going to look this over real quick. Here's their installation instructions right here. And I've had the seat off before on this bike to put my air hawk on, and so we'll see if it's as simple as that. It's going to be pretty easy. Time to test ride my new seat. I think the seat looks good with the red stitching, red piping on the red bike. Oh, it looks pretty nice. So let's jump on it, take it out around the block. A beautiful fall day.
Well, we're coming to the end of my video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and we'll see you in the next one. I can't hardly wait until I get to take my bike out for a little longer ride and get out on the road and see how this Corbin seat's gonna perform for me. I hope it's a lot more comfortable than that stock seat, because that thing was just incredibly bad.